Want to know how to change your password in Wish? So, if you are tired with your old password and if you want to change it to a stronger password, I'm going to show you how you can do it on Wish with some few steps and just under a minute. So, let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Wish application. And now, once I've done that, here you should be seeing your profile on the top right side right here. So, make sure you are logged in to see it, and once you have hovered on it, here you should be seeing your profile. Just simply select view profile right here, and once you've done that, here you should be seeing edit profile right beside there. Just simply select it, and now if you scroll down a little bit, under account settings, you should be seeing password right here. So under password, in order to change it, just simply type in your old password and then your new password, and then just simply confirm your new password and select change password right here, and then your password should be changed. And once that is done, you should also be logged out from other devices and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.